Hi everyone, I'm Prof. O. In this video, I'm going to briefly introduce deontological ethics. Deontological ethics, or deontology, is a normative ethical theory. Normative ethics are a branch of philosophical ethics that deal with questions about how one ought to act in a moral sense. The word deontology is derived from the Greek words for duty and science. As such, deontology is often referred to as a duty, obligation, or rules-based ethics. With deontology, the morality of an action is determined based on whether the action itself is right or wrong. This is determined by a series of rules. Deontology is most associated with the German philosopher Immanuel Kant and his theory of ethics. Kant believed that morality is the objective law of reason, and that moral laws are universal. The key thing to keep in mind here is that deontology is not concerned with the outcomes of an action. It is opposed to what is known as consequentialism. In deontology, an action itself is right or wrong in and of itself, regardless of the consequences of that action. There is not always consensus among deontologists on what the moral laws are, but one that is commonly accepted, at least in a broad sense, is that lying is wrong. And if we use a deontological approach to lying, then the act of lying is wrong in all situations no matter what, including if the act of lying would produce a better outcome for everyone involved. So while the rule, not lying, is easy to follow, we know that the world is complex, and we can think of cases where telling a lie, perhaps to save someone's life for example, would make sense. Therefore, one of the key criticisms of deontology is that by disregarding the outcome of one's actions, it may produce results that are harmful or undesirable. This was only a brief explanation to introduce the topic of deontology. It is a rich area of study with much discussion and debate. Thanks for watching.